In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve the battery life on your Toshiba laptop or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, scroll down and select power versus power mode. Optimize your device based on power use and performance. Click the drop down and then select best power efficiency for both plugged in as well as on battery options. And then scrolling down underneath energy saver, you can click on the drop down there and toggle that to the on position. That will reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting some background activities. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.